How can you take a backup of a Postgres databases? So many way pgdump, that is a simple way, but yeah, you can just take the copy and move that data directory also. It's also a way for taking a backup, or you can just create a tar file or sql file, sql file. So here is a way. Sorry, the pg tool, the pg dump tool is a Postgres can use to backup a single databases in a save the content database objects is a single file, that is .sql file. First, we have to navigate that the SQL bin. For example, using that command line c dot and then bin, and then the next you have to use that pgdump program. After executing the program, you the following command will all example for into a tar file like /c backup directory and all. So pgdump user databases w hyphen f that tar file. Okay, and then the path, the example, the directory path. Okay, so you can save that backup of running databases.